Hi, in this video, I'm going to go over one tip that 90% of phone flippers do not do, which is costing them to lose a lot of profits. Stay tuned. Hey, what's going on YouTube? Kyle Leader, aka Smooth Flipper. And this video, I'm going to go over one tip that you guys can use to get more conversions and to increase more profits. So a lot of times I get people who message me saying that they can't get people to say yes, or it's slow, things are rough for them. And the reason why, or the question that I always ask is, are you doing this particular thing that I'm going to explain? And a lot of times the answer is no. So what this is the follow-up. So you're going to get a lot of people who say no. That this is part of the business. You're going to have a lot more no's than yes. And that's just the way it is. You can have 60 messages a day and only pick up 4 phones, but at the end of the day, you made $300. So it all works out. But anyways, you're gonna get those no's, but it's up to you to possibly change their mind. You have to realize that this is your business and you are in control. So even if they say no, you still have a chance. I've had plenty of times where, you know, someone has said no. I messaged them, 48 hours later, asked them, hey, I'm headed to your area. You know, did you want to do that deal? I have cash in hand. And a lot of times they say, yeah. There's things in life that happen. In that time if they said no, they probably were doing well. And 2 days later, something could come up like a bill or something, and they may need your money. So a lot of people don't follow up. They feel like no is it, and they move on. And it's good when you're getting those messages in. It's good to do that. But for people who aren't getting a lot of deals, or are not converting, this is going to help you out a lot more, because when things are slow, this is what I do. When things are slow, I go back to my old messages and say, hey, give them some kind of you have to make it sound urgent. So you want to say, hey, I'm headed to your area right now. Um, I have cash in hand right now. I'm going to pick up some more phones. Would you like to meet up? I'm meeting a couple other people at this Starbucks or at this location. Do you want to meet up? And that's all you have to do. If they say no, then that's fine. But if you follow up with 20 people, you probably can get 2 phones out of that. And that's 2 phones you didn't have because your leads aren't coming in from your new ads. So it's best to go back and do those follow-ups. Now, when it comes to following up, you don't want to hassle them, or harass them, as far as don't message them every 5 hours saying, hey, I want to meet up, hey, you want to meet up, hey, don't do that. That's not professional at all, and you're just gonna mess up the deal. What I usually do, I will maybe wait 24 hours. Give them time to do whatever they have to do, or give them time for something to happen. You don't want to message them too quick, but give them time to do whatever they have to do. Then you message them. And even sometimes there's people who forget to message you back. If they don't reply to you, not even if they rejected your offer, if they don't reply to you, then sometimes people forget. I've messaged people and said, hey, did you still want to sell your phone? And they go, oh, I'm sorry, I didn't realize I didn't reply back to you. I forgot. And we made deals like that. So there's tons of ways you can go about it, especially if things are slow right now for you guys. And it is slowly picking back up. But for those who are having those issues, the follow-up is one of the most important things in this business. And I realize that a lot of people don't do it. A lot of people will just take no for their first answer, and they move on. Like I said, which is a good thing if you're getting those leads coming in. But if you just want to buy more phones and have a better shot at buying phones, then you have to message more people back. So it's up to you to go through those messages and figure out who just rejected your offer, or who just didn't reply back. and it's up to you to to message them. Be polite and but make it urgent. Make it seem like that you're gonna be in that area for 30 minutes, and after that you're not gonna be there anymore. So you're gonna make them feel like, well, I only have 30 minutes to decide, or the money's gonna be gone. So a lot of times they'll say, okay, cool, I can meet you here, and you don't even have to be in that area, or you don't have to say, hey, I'm going to be in that area. You don't have to be there. You can just say that, and then they figure, okay, this person's going to be in my area, might as well do the deal. So it's all about being urgent, making it sound urgent, and making it seem like it's a one-time deal. Make it seem like you're going to be gone after this. So guys, keep that in mind. This is a big tip for you guys. Use this. Give me some feedback on how it works for you. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe. If you have any more video ideas, please comment them down in the comments. I would really need some video ideas, and some different series I can do for you guys. So comment that down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.